Hello everyone, this is Irshad Ahmad Niazi. Today I'm going to give you information about HTML. What is HTML and what is the specific or proper meaning of HTML and what is HTML stand for. So HTML is one of the language of web designing where whenever we want to design a web we have to use from HTML language. So what is HTML stand for? It completes meaning is hypertext markup language. So this is one of the basic or principal language of web designing. So every webs, if we want to create or design a web, we have to know about HTML. Otherwise we are not able to create or we are not able to implement codes of web. So this is the first language that is used for designing a website. So web script, what is web script? And web script divided into two forms. The first one is client side. In client side there are some language that we have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And server side, we can say web server side, there are some language that we can say PHP, ASP, JSP. These are the language which are used for developing of a website. So who create? We have to know the history of HTML. Who created HTML? Tim Berners-Lee. He was the only person who created the language for designing of web. What is syntax in a language, or you know better, and every language or every language of computer we have a syntax. Syntax can play a role as a grammar. Like grammar, we can say the base of every language is a grammar. Here it is as the same as that languages. And syntax are divided in two forms: are tags name as well as attributes. Tag names, the first one, here is one example I have created like HTML. This is the name of we can say this is the name of tag, we can say that is tag name. And after that we have a dir, it means directions. Direction, like we want to write a text. A text we have to show the from which side to what side, or from left to right, or from right to left, and from top to bottom. These all we have to clear for our text. So here I created example left to right. This is a what? This is attributes and tags. So after that we what are the benefits of or usefuls of HTML? HTML, this is a simple language of web designing that it doesn't need any specific programs. You can use from Windows, Linux, Macintosh. So in Windows we can implement our codes in Notepad, and in Linux or Macintosh we have editor, and editor can be used for HTML as well. So here one example I am going to create, that how we can use from Notepad to create the first Notepad. Here I have installed Notepad++, as well you can say Notepad sample. I want to use from Notepad++. So I want to create a new file, Control N K, you can create a new, and then we come to here language, and language I want to use from HTML. So here I am going to start from HTML. So this is a principle, or this is a basic structure of HTML. Whenever we want to start the coding of HTML, we have to know these all, and then we want to close our tags, and then we use from heat section and close this text as well, and then we want to use from title, and then we want to close the title, and then we have to use body, and body here in body whatever we want to show in our view we have to use or we have to import in body section. Then I want to save this file, Control S. Here I want to save this file in desktop, like I want to give a name, test. Extension should be HTML. Whenever you want to implement some code, you have to use extension. Extension, every language has to be its self name. And then I want to save. Then I want to go to like that. I want to open it in browser. Open. See, this is test.html. This is the basic structure of HTML. Whenever you want to start or whenever you want to implement your codes, you have to know these all codes, and after that here in the body section you can implement every sorts of tags and every sorts of attributes here in this section. Here you can add name to replace of HTML www dot, like you can say irsh.com. Control S, and then we want to refresh our page. See the name of www.irshad.com. That is it for today.